Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about a new update that is available for the Samsung Galaxy A34. So to check out the update, you just have to simply go into your settings, and from here you have to scroll down and search for software update. After going into your software update, you will have to select this download and install option, and from here you will get to see this new update available. So this update is of 1st November 2024 security patch level and with a 324 MBs of size. Talking about what's new, so this update includes some device stability improvements and some new or enhanced features will be available with this update. Also, some further improvements will be added to your performance. To install this update, you will have to first download it and simply tap on download. Now depending on your internet speed, it will download the update. So I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. Also do let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. And finally the update is downloaded. Now you just have to simply install it, but keep in mind that you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. So make sure to install this update when your device is completely free. To install it, simply tap on install now and the update will start installing. This installation process might take a while, so you will have to wait for a while over here. I will quickly fast forward this part of the video, so make sure to install this update when your device is completely free. As you can see, it is taking a while. Also, you will be unable to make call or messages during this installation process. And finally the update is installed and your device is now good to go. Now when you will search for the new updates in the download and install, you will get to see that your device is on the latest version. As you can see, your software is now up to date to the latest version. So do check out this update if you guys are missing out this update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34. Do check out this update and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your devices or not yet. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.